Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set invisible username or name on your Discord. Right, so you have to just open your Discord, go to your user setting here. Now this is my account. Now the very important thing is here that this is a display name. So you can always erase your display name. Even though if I just write here a dot, right, so it will be shown as a dot, right? And one more thing, let me just reset it out. Let me just close this. Right, one more thing here that if you have a username of a dot or space, which is not allowed by the way in the Discord, but you can hide your profile but not exactly. For example, you can change your username or change your profile picture into the same color of what Discord have currently, and same thing you can just rename your username as a completely spacebar or dot, right? So whenever you join a voice call or basically a video call, or if you're into some server, definitely they will not able to see the name of yours, but once they click on your profile they will able to see the username. So it's not exactly to be invisible, but here for example there's an option of invisible, so you can always go and select invisible. So no matter you will be online or offline, nobody will able to know that whether you are right. So this is how you can set invisible. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.